It's letter time, my friends. We're ready to learn our next letter in the alphabet, and that letter is S. All right, boys and girls, look at these S's. What are they made up of? Straight lines, curved lines? What? You see only curved lines? Guess what? You're right. All right, I see curved lines. Many curved lines. All right, this is the letter S. You're going to practice finding it in books or around your house, anywhere. I want you to see how many S's you can find today. All right, we are going to also learn how to write the S. We're going to learn some super fun poems. Parents, little side note here, in our Canvas classroom on the left-hand side, there are links you can click, and one of them says Handwriting Poems. Every handwriting poem that I have been teaching your child is listed there. You should be daily spending 5 minutes, call out a letter, J, and they should know how to write uppercase J. They should know how to write lowercase j. So you can even say uppercase A, and they write it down. Lowercase b, okay, lowercase g, and they're writing it down. If they're having trouble or they're not forming it correctly, now is the time to fix it. Not after they've done it wrong for a whole entire year. All letters start at the top. That's the number one thing. So just use those poems to help you understand how to form the letters, and teach your kids the poem, because when they get stuck, they can remember the poem in their mind and say that to help them write the letter and form it correctly. All right, so let's get started. We're going to write upper and lowercase s. The cool thing about upper and lowercase s is that they look just the same. They're just different sizes. So uppercase S. S looks like a snake, curve left, then right, from top to bottom, makes it right. So right now, parents, you're seeing it's important to know our left from our right. So that may be something your child does not know yet, so you're going to need to work on talking about left hand, right hand. All right, uppercase S looks like a snake, curve left, then right, from top to bottom, makes it right. Small s is the same way. If you don't have lined paper, it's perfectly fine. You don't have to have a lined paper. It's actually better for them to have a bigger space, because some kids are going to write really big right now, and that's okay for them to write really big. We'll work towards getting to the smaller spaces. That's kind of a natural thing that they just start doing that. All right, lowercase s. Small s looks like a snake too. Curve left, then right. That's all you do. Small s looks like a snake too. Curve left, then right. That's all you do. One thing to make sure of when they're writing uppercase s and lowercase s, you want to make sure that the lowercase s is half the size, that it's small, because the lowercase s is small. We want to be able to tell, are you writing uppercase or lowercase? All right, guys, it's going to be super fun to learn those s's today. And I have a special treat today for friends. Usually we end our video right here, but guess what, my friends? Not today. We are going to learn one more letter today, because you guys are so smart. Look at these T's. Are those made up of straight lines, curved lines, both? Straight lines, that's right. We only see straight lines in the T, so it's going to be super easy. All right, let's go over our poem for uppercase T. Uppercase T's poem is: a long line down begins the T, draw a straight line across and T it will be. A long line down begins the T, draw a straight line across and a T it will be. Super easy, 2 strokes. Lowercase t, not as tall, straight down for small t, cross near the middle, a T you will see. Not as tall, straight down for small t, cross in the middle, a T you'll see. So you want to practice writing these several times. Make sure they can write it correctly. The poems really do help. So again, check in Canvas on the left-hand side for the link that says Handwriting Poems, and those can help you to remember exactly how to make the letters correctly. Thanks.